What if time itself suddenly stopped for just 10 seconds?
Time controls every motion around us, even when we don't notice it.
Now imagine. Everything suddenly stops.
No movement, no sound, no change.
Every human is locked in a single moment.
Motion disappears, but energy does not. Even machines lose their sense of time.
Nature itself is paused.
Fire stops burning. Without time, nothing continues.
Cause and effect no longer exist.
Life itself is placed on hold.
Time has completely stopped.
The atmosphere becomes silent. Gravity still exists, but motion does not.
Every process is interrupted.
Even atoms stop moving.
For the planet itself, time no longer passes.
Emotions are paused in a single frame.
Energy waits, unable to release.
Ten seconds feel like an eternity.
And then, time resumes.
Reality continues, as if nothing happened.
All stored motion is released.
No one remembers the pause.
For humanity, nothing seems different. But the universe noticed. Physics leaves no event unrecorded.
Time is more than a measurement. It is the structure of reality itself. Without time, nothing can exist.